Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how to resolve components and add then components together. It's a very, very useful technique. It's a very common one in physics. So it's all to do with vectors, and it's very important to remember that vectors have a magnitude and a direction. So what we start off with is two vectors, okay, usually A and B. It could be any letter in the alphabet, and in this particular example I'll use two equal vectors. They're both 20 newtons. They're separated by an angle of 45 degrees. So if you're trying to find the resultant here, then basically all you're trying to do is add them together end on end. So this is what I've got here. The two vectors end on end will need to be added, and I'm looking for the resultant drawn here. Now, just to show you the way to do it, I've added in these two little pink components because the vector that's going off at the angle of 45 degrees can be resolved into two components. So one is 20 cos 45 and the other is 20 sine 45, and that in both instances just depends on right angle trigonometry and the fact that you can split something into two right angled components. So overall we're looking for these two components. The 20 cos 45 and the 20 sine 45 are equal, and they're both equal to 14.14. Now we know that we've got a total length in the x direction of 34.14, and in the y direction we've got 14.14. So I'll just draw that, and it makes it clear to show. So overall the resultant force is going to be easy to find via Pythagoras. So here we find it using Pythagoras. 34.14 squared plus 14.14 squared gives us an answer of, to be worked out in a minute. And then of course you can use trigonometry again to find out the angle theta. So to find the angle theta, you just use tan to the minus 1 of the opposite over the adjacent, and the calculation's being shown there. And what we've got now is a answer of R being equal to 37 newtons to three significant figures, and the angle theta being equal to 22.5 degrees. Hopefully this will be useful for you.